Hello guys, today we go here BMW 3 Series, and this car got a little problem with the ABS sensor on the offside rear, and today what we're going to do, we're going to replace the ABS sensor, and we will show you how to do it and how to reset the onboard computer as well. Alright, ABS sensor located over here, and the cable going all the way to there and come this way and connector under the mudguard. So we had to remove the mudguard as well, so it's holding with the 1 and 2 10mm plastic screws, and we have 1, 2 and 3 8mm bolt. So once we remove that nut and bolts, we can easily remove the mudguard, and we can unclip the sensor socket. And yeah, basically sensor holding with 1 bolt, which is we need Allen socket for that one to remove it. As you can see, I already removed the mudguard, and you can see there are 2 connectors, one for the brake sensor, one for the ABS sensor, and the gray color one is the one we're going to replace, which is the ABS sensor. So I'm gonna unclip from the socket first before I remove the sensor from here. Yeah, nice and dry inside the car. Yeah, as you can see, we just done the diagnostic again. We still got the codes for the rear right ABS sensor, 40 codes. What we're going to do is we're going to erase these codes, and I'm going for a quick test drive to check whether the ABS sensor coming back or not. If it's coming back, it's mean we have to change ABS ring as well. So sometimes what gonna happen even if we change sensors, still showing the faulty codes, ABS faulty codes. So it's mean it's some kind of damage ABS ring or something like that. So fingers crossed. I hope everything all right after this sensor replacement. When we start the job, it was quite dry, but as soon as start the job, it start to rain. So that's how it is. Sometimes raining, we had to work under the rain because we're doing always we're doing mobile jobs. Yeah, guys, we have a lot of videos, upcoming videos in our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see a different kind of videos, and the maybe we do in right way or maybe we do in wrong way. So if you have any comments, just write down, so then if you're doing something wrong, even we can learn something from you guys as well. So I'm gonna rescan the codes again, whether it's any codes coming or not. So after finish that, I'm gonna go for a quick test drive to check again to make sure if everything all right. Yeah, guys, it's so far so good. There is no any other faulty codes. Yeah, I'm going for a quick spin to check whether it's faulty messages coming in the dashboard or not. Yeah, it's so far so good. It's not showing any ABS lights or anything. Yeah, pretty much that's it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you with another video.